Hello children. In today's class I have come with few different questions. Like if you can see on the screen, the question in class 3 maths chapter number 7 is given. Carry the cow can see 24 horns of cows in the shed. What is the total number of legs in the shed? So here comes the solution. To solve this question, let us see a cow. You can see cow has two horns. We have studied in 1 and 2. गाय हमारी माता है, उसके 2 सींग होते हैं, 4 पैर होते हैं. So it has 2 horns and 4 legs. And the question says कि एक क्रो ने देखा कि एक शेड में there were 24 horns. तो पहले आपको निकालना है कि उस शेड में कितनी काउज हैं, है ना? So what we will do? One cow has how many horns? 2 horns. Therefore, they have given 24 horns the crow has seen. It means 24 divided by 2. That means 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. इसका मतलब है in that shed there are 12 cows. This was the first part of the question. क्योंकि question को थोड़ा सा घुमा के दे रखा है, ठीक है, कि 24 हॉर्न्स देखे तो बताओ कि कितनी लेग्स हैं. अरे भाई नथिंग इज वेरी क्लियर बट यू हैव टू अप्लाई योर माइंड. सो व्हाट यू विल डू, हम पहले काउज निकालेंगे कि काउ कितनी हैं. हॉर्न्स तो 2 होते हैं. अकॉर्डिंगली वी हैव टेकन फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ व्हेन यू हैव टू टेक आउट सेकेंड पार्ट, द क्वेश्चन इज सेज कि अब बताओ उसकी कितनी लेग है. सो 1 काउ हैज हाउ मेनी लेग्स? 4. ओके, देयरफॉर 12 cows will have how many legs? 12 multiplied by 4. 12 4s are 48. So this was the solution of question number 1. इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपको घुमा फिरा के दिए जाते हैं. So you just apply your mind. उसके लिए just close your eyes and that time you think that how does the cow look. Immediately you will not get the answer, but when you will repeat the question again and again, you will surely get the answer. Let us go to another question. We come to Puri beach and the question is one wall hanging costs rupees 42. How much do 2 wall hangings cost? So these types of questions you have done very well. It's very easy. Let's see here. So it was very simple question. You have already done these kinds of questions. One wall hanging costs rupees 42. Okay. Therefore 2 wall hangings cost will be 42 multiplied by 2 is equal to rupees 84. It was a simple question. Children, now see we have a very interesting questions on the screen. One rabdi cup costs rupees 75. Preeti buys 5 cups of rabdi. She has her mother's purse which has only rupees 100 notes. How many rupees 100 should she give to the shopkeeper? How much will the shopkeeper then return to Preeti? And what is the total cost of 5 cups of rabdi? Let's see. Let us see the solution in few parts. पहले ये निकाल लेते हैं कि there were 5 cups of rabdi and 1 cup cost rupees 75. तो 1 cup cost rupees 75. Therefore 5 cups will cost rupees 75 multiplied by 5, that is rupees 375. ये आपका पहला पोर्शन हो गया. आपने 5 cups रबड़ी की कॉस्ट निकाल ली, ठीक है. अब कह रहा है कि उसकी मम्मी के पर्स में 100 रुपए वाले नोट्स हैं, तो वो कितने नोट्स जो है वो शॉपकीपर को दे. सो शी हैज़ गॉट रुपीज़ 375. उसका इतना बिल बना, ठीक है. अब उसको पैसे देने हैं और मम्मी के पर्स में सिर्फ 100 के नोट हैं, तो शी विल टेक आउट 400 रुपीज़. ओके, 100 के 4 नोट्स, दैट इज 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, दैट इज इक्वल टू रुपीज़ 400. क्योंकि 300 लेगी तो कम हो जाएंगे और 100 के ही नोट हैं. सो 100 रुपीज़ नोट्स शी विल टेक ओनली 1 2 3 4 नोट्स शी विल टेक आउट फ्रॉम द पर्स. नाउ हाउ मच द शॉपकीपर विल रिटर्न बैक. उसने ये 4 नोट दे दिए शॉपकीपर को और बिल बना था उसका 375. So now you can just subtract 10 minus 5 is equal to 5. Here it is left 9. 9 minus 7 is equal to 2. And here 3. 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. It means she has given 400 rupees to the shopkeeper and the shopkeeper has returned her back rupees 25 only. I hope with the notes and with this cow you have learned the situations very well, and it will be a very beneficial video for you all, and all the questions must be clear. Please write your comments in the video that how did you like the video. Thank you so much. Take care. See you soon in the next video.